All right, moving on, Indian Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi says the Navy was just minutes away from launching strikes from sea on Pakistan. And this was during last year's Operation Sindoor. Speaking at a Naval Institute ceremony in Mumbai, Admiral Tripathi said that Indian naval units were on high alert and ready to act after a terror attack in Pahalgam. He added that Pakistan requested a halt before strikes were carried out.
Operation Sindoor demonstrated exemplary readiness and resolve of our Navy as our units undertook swift deployment and maintained a highly aggressive posture throughout the period. It is now not a hidden fact that we were just minutes away from striking Pakistan from sea when they requested stoppage of kinetic action.
During the May operation, India deployed several Navy ships, including a carrier battle group led by INS Vikrant. This move gave India control over the northern Arabian Sea and limited the Pakistan Navy to its posts and the Makran coast. Last year's Operation Sindoor was launched on May 7. The operation targeted terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The strikes eliminated over 100 terrorists and dismantled key infrastructure. A brief war ensued, ending in a May 10 ceasefire after back-channel diplomacy and hotline talks between the Director Generals of military operations of both nations took place. Now, beyond the Pakistan operation, the Admiral painted a broader picture of maritime challenges. He cited the Strait of Hormuz, where attacks on more than 23 merchant vessels have left nearly 1,900 ships stranded. Daily traffic has fallen from 130 transits to just 6 or 7.
The start of the conflict, well into its fifth week, more than 23 merchant vessels have been attacked. Nearly 1,900 vessels remain stranded. And daily traffic has fallen to just 6 or 7 transits compared to the pre-conflict average of about 130.
Further, he emphasized the need for the Navy to stay agile and ready as technology and tactics evolve. Admiral Tripathi also highlighted India's push for self-reliance, noting the commissioning of 12 ships and submarines in 1 year.